Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to produce Amapiano in the style of Kevin Momo, Babalwa M and Sticks. Whether you're a beginner or you want to improve your production, this video will guide you from start to finish. Let's get started without further ado. Hey, you can download the FLP using the link below. If you want the password for the FLP, please watch the whole video. What I did use, it was like launch lizards, relative keys. Kind of blend them together. Then we have another chords here, the second chords. It's gonna be like grand piano. So you can use any grand piano that you love. And then we have like some strings, but then I deconselect the strings to save RAM. No, these ones. Same vibe. Okay, now after that's what we did, just go straight to the beats. We start with chords. And then we're gonna follow up with the pads. So with the pad, like I did consider the pad also to save RAM, but it got like this. After that, we're gonna be having like some ARPs, like do. So the ARP went like this also. So what I did here, I kind of like blended two different sounds, and they gave me like this. And then something shoes like. So after that, what I did, introducing like a bassline. But the bassline, like gotta have like a deep low drum, it's all that went like this. And then we have something like this. And then the last part that we're gonna be doing here, guys, just to add some keys by your grand piano. Even by a grand piano. And then we're done with the beats. Okay, we can add like we did add like what to call this, guys, a bass line, but it's a lock drum, bro, a simple lock drum. And then we have another lock drum here. Simple one. We have something like this. Just added more keys here. Listening to the beats, I realized like the beat is kind of like low in volume. So what I did, I went to master. I've added like a clear master, Maximus, to increase the volume. So let me just decrease this one. Yeah. And this is the final beat, guys. So yeah guys, yeah, that's all we did in this video, and if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. By the way, thank you for watching, and I'm out.